Okay, hello everyone. CC++ is here. So today I'm going to continue touchHLE fix and play stream. And as last time I was trying to make Dungeon Hunter 2 working, and I guess last stream I had a lot of progress and we finally able to launch the game and to play the first part of the first dungeon, but unfortunately we hit a crash related to OpenGL. But since the last time I fixed that one, and today I guess we will continue to play test and see if we need to fix any other issue. Okay, so hello everyone again, and I gonna just start from the point where we left last time. And we will see how it goes. And let me know if I had any issue with audio or sound, so just to be sure. Thank you for fixing the game. Well, my pleasure. Hello. Yeah, hello. Hello, good work. Thank you, and welcome to the stream. So last time it was crashing entering this area. Now it's possible to enter, and I have an impression that it was related either to this stone or maybe to this door, but in any case, let's see. How odd to see a stranger here. We are bog walkers. This place is our home. We had welcomed you with a feast, but monsters of all kinds have ruined our corpse. If you only had something to cook, we had gladly share it. Kill 5 bog wobbles. And we also have a store. Well, I don't think I want to buy anything right now, but just to be sure what it is not crashing. Yeah, let me try to sell something. Okay, well, it seems to work. Okay. So nothing when I can interact here. This one I cannot go. So I guess I can only. Okay, interesting. I think I lost the indicator of like the one what shows your clicks, but as far as it's working, it doesn't matter that much. Okay, bogwomb. Yeah, and now I have an indicator with red circle, so I'm not sure. Is it because, well, Is it because I talked with a shop guy? Yeah. So I think there is a small bug related to the indicator of the path, but it doesn't matter that much, I hope. So here I was already here. Okay, we leveled up. Okay, chat, where should I spend 2 points? Should I add them to the strength, dexterity, endurance, or energy? So we are a warrior, so I assume the strength and endurance is okay. Well, 1 point to energy. Okay, anything else? Okay, all points goes to energy. Cool. So you see I have this red circle back. Nice. And I don't remember, so how many I need to kill? Yeah, well, I guess endurance we will do next time. So let me see. Kill 5 bogworms. I think I already killed like 3. So yeah. Okay, it was 4, now 5. And the quest completed. Okay, well, apparently I need to go right, because this is the only... Okay, then I think I can do also auto-equip. Nice. And... okay, those two. Cool. Oh, this one. Well, nothing interesting in those spots. And then, well, okay. Bogwitch Cavern or World Map? Cavern. And we have a crash. Nice. Oh, this one will be pain in the ass to debug. So exception raised, unexpected exception at 1. And it crashed touchHLE itself. So it's not even like the emulation crash. Well, it's emulation crash in some sense, but it crashed like not in the good way. because we don't even have a stack trace. And yeah, so it's handle timer somewhere, and then like exception raised. Exception crash, abort called, exception raised. Well, let me actually see. So first of all, I want to deactivate release. So I want to have a debug build. And second, I want to see if I can reproduce with crash. And because I'm now building the debug, in the debug mode, it will be way more slower. So you have some loading times, you will have some stuttering. But it's okay. Okay, so it is crashing nearly here. So if I select the Bockwitch cavern again, yeah, so I have the same crash. It's quite strange one. Well, let me see if selecting the word map have any difference. Okay. So apparently here I cannot do anything. So I have two quests. One is a prison break, and the second is defeat the Bockwitch in the northwest cavern. The witch cave is the next thing to do throughout the door. You can run later. So, Northern Wireless. so I cannot go anywhere. And if I select the world map, I also don't have access to any other thing. Okay, this is quite strange what I need to all of those mobs respawning. I leveled up. Let's do endurance this time. Okay, so the crash is here. Like, it's you have to fix one on crash if you want to enter the bog lamp caverns. Yes, sure. Okay, let me see what is going on. So let me run the Rust rover and check the code related to the exception handling for the dynamic. So let me see, let me put some music. So here we have a crash and we have exception raised. And yes, so dynamic and exception raised. Unexpected exception 1 at this. So I wonder if I can capture Prince of Persia Warrior Within is playable on my phone, but movie cutscenes not shown in the game. Cutscenes work, but not the movie one. Yeah, this is expected. The touchHLE right now does not support video unless the game itself have video playing capabilities. But for Prince of Persia, it's done with MP movie player, and this class is not fully implemented in touchHLE. Okay. So I think what I want to do, I want maybe to run in the debug mode. Last time I played Dungeon Hunter 2 was on Symbian emulator, but it was pretty glitchy in the menu and graphics was not so good like iOS version. But I know how to fix IPF errors. Yeah, well, this is exactly what we are doing here. So I'm gonna try to have a stack trace inside Rust rover. So here I'm launching it with let me see. So hopefully I can have a stack trace fully available in inside Rust rover itself, and we can see what is actually going on. What's up? Why you are stopping here? Well, let me remove all of the breakpoints and yeah. Okay, so we do indeed have a abort here, but there is no a lot of things related to the stack trace. So I do see what it is indeed inside the JIT implementation and a IRM32 interface, but there is no much more information. I guess one thing what I can try to do is to enable additional login and to do something like so touchHLE have a variety of login capabilities. So for example, I can say what I want to log everything about IP and die LD. So basically it will log everything about the functions and about the execution of those functions. And I think I can just run it and it will output a lot more information about what is happening. So you see there is a lot more logs and it is way more slower. And it will take ages to load, but it is expected. Yeah, it's quite slow, and you hear the audible issues, but it's expected. There is a lot more information outputted to the console. And meanwhile, I think we can also launch Ghidra and import the binary inside Ghidra itself. Okay, so it crashed around mem CMP, which is quite strange, to be honest. So compare byte strings. Nothing really useful about this one. So I guess there is another way to try to have more information. So we disable those logs, and other thing what we can do is let me see. So we can go to the messages and we can add additional login information. So it will output additional logs about the message sent. So in Objective-C, you are not really calling functions, you are sending messages. And we have our own implementation, and we can add some debugging logs statement in order to have more information about the messages what been sent around. Will the movie playing capability be implemented in the future builds? Well, maybe yes, maybe no. Okay, we have some strings method, like string by replacing the occurrence character at index. Character and index, and dispatching auto release. C string using encoding. Okay, one thing what we can quickly try to do is to log the string itself, just to see what is going on. So let's print encoding, and we can print as well string itself. Not quite sure if it will help much, but let's see. So I have few ideas what may be an issue here, but it is kind of hard to pinpoint exact function what is actually giving us the troubles. Okay. So apparently it tries to load a 3D model of the swamp. And it wasn't able to load it. Well, I guess so. So we have a string here when we apparently load some NS data and when we just throw an exception. Incredible work as always. Well, thank you. But here it's kinda strange what is going on. Do you think it's possible to add the context to click on the API with File Explorer and receive it through our touchHLE? Well, first of all, which operation system? Like, is it Android, macOS, or Windows? Well, I guess it is not really a vital functionality, so probably it will be not added anytime soon. Let me quickly try one small hack here to see if it does change anything. I don't think it will change anything, but just in case. I recently watched a great movie, Silent Hill. Yeah? I'm talking about G2Me works doing this with jar files, but I don't know if it's possible to do because of scoped storage. Yeah, on Android we kinda limited it in what we can do. So yeah, I guess the point is contributions are welcome. So yeah. Okay, dynamic A32 exception. Map enter. I guess I want to do one thing, and it will be maybe painful to implement, but let's see. So let me remove all of the logs, and then I want to try something related to libc and libstd. Let me see. Okay, chat, while I am looking for the commit, what is interesting for me, let me know what is your most anticipated games for touchHLE. So which one you expect, you wait the most. Let me know in the chat. Fruit Ninja, Mortal Kombat 3, I assume, I Stand 2, Fragger, in few hours. So, Fruit Ninja is a bit blocked because of the support for MP4 AAC. Basically, the music what is used by the game, we are not yet supporting it, and we have a crate called Symphonia, what we use for the most of audio decoding, and we are waiting for the next release of this crate, and once it's done, maybe it will be supported. For the Mortal Kombat, I do have some temporary branch with some work in progress, but it's quite difficult to get it right. The Sims 3, well, maybe I need to have a look. I don't remember what was the blocker last time when I tried to do it. Alive Forever, Dungeon Hunter 2. Finally made it in the time for stream, well, welcome. Right now I'm struggling a little bit with the crash related to the second level, let's say. Yes, Ultimate Mortal Kombat 3, yeah. In any case, I was searching for some stuff related to libraries. So I do have a branch related to iOS 4, I believe. Yeah. Let me see. It will be a nightmare to rebase. Okay, so we will try to cherry pick this one. And I guess I need to do something about the conflicts. Okay, so, and then we can say something like git status, git cherry pick continue. Shrek card, Spider-Man, Total Mayhem, Ragdoll, Blaster 2, Humble. So for Shrek card, there's few issues with this game, and they all related to OpenGL support in touchHLE. Namely, some extensions related to the character rigging, let's say, and it could be possible, I guess, to support it only for Android, but it's still quite difficult. Spider-Man Total Mayhem, I don't remember. If you're talking about the game which was done by Gameloft for iOS 3, I believe, it has some inconsistency when run in touchHLE. And yeah, unfortunately it kinda crashing with the different crashes in debug and release mode. So yeah, but in any case, let's see. So I'm trying to kinda update for the later versions of libraries. And I'm not sure if it will help that much, but we will see. Yes, so this is expected, and I need to find proper commits related to the sliding. So I was copying it from iOS 4. Oh man, it's quite... It will be quite annoying to implement. But let's see. Open current version. Open selected version. Okay. So here I want to modify this one. I want to add executable slide, and then static initializer. So here we need to modify this code, and then we can say what we want to add the log debug, and when we go to mach-o, and we have some so we need to add this as well. So we're adding slide, and then so we are adding it to a section 2. Okay, so just for your information, what I'm trying to do, right now touchHLE is using iOS 3.1 libc and libstd, and I'm trying to upgrade it to iOS 4 libc and libstd and see if it fixes the issue or not. But in order to do so, I need to implement some kind of sliding, because the way how linker and compiler compile both libraries and how linker links with library has changed, and it will require some update to very old commit what I had some years ago. I don't remember when I did this one. So this one what I'm trying to use is from September 2024, so it's quite an old one. Okay. Okay, so here I need to update bytes at mutable with the value of the slide. And here we need to add our segment as well, in addition to the sections, and then so here we need to modify that as well. Okay, and here I need to find this one. Okay, so basically I need to address this thing. Okay, this is maybe it. Sections. Section. Need to add slide. Okay, let's see. Whew. So let me see if it compiles. Wow, this is strange with slide section never read. Okay, so I'm streaming already 1 hour. I'm gonna have a break for 10 minutes, for about 10 minutes, and I will be back. Okay, I'm back, and where we are. Okay, so we were trying to fix some crashes, and I was trying to update iOS 4 libraries in order to see if it does fix the crash or not. Okay, and I think what was strange is the fact what it says what the slide is never read for the section, which is really not expected that much. So let me see, I was adding it here, and then for the sections some stuff related to rebasing. Yeah, sections, all sections. Okay, this is strange. So when in the I'm not sure where we use sections, but let me see, let me try to just do some kind of let's say dry run to see if it does work for other games. So let's just test a few games. Okay, and we have a crash right away. This is not a good sign per se. So here when we do initial linking, yeah, this part needs to be updated as well. So yeah, I think it makes sense what we have not updated the DILD, which stands for dynamical loader, I believe, and this is why it's not working. So here we can search for the slide, and indeed we can have it here. For the slide, we outline it. Yeah, I believe we should apply it here, and then here, and here as well. Oh man, this is quite annoying to actually implement properly. Okay, and then we have this part, which is not present anymore. Do lazy link. Okay, restoring stubs. And we have a part related to stubs, which is, so we have flat map, we have stubs, and then what we are doing here, yes, so we can update at least this part and at least this part, so contains okay, and then we need to update this way, I believe, and that should be it. So let me see once again if I have not forgot anything. Okay, just to double check if it does work. This it doesn't. Oh man, I don't like this at all. Yeah, it's always, we are always starting test with Super Monkey Ball. So apparently it is not working at all. Oh man, I don't like it. Okay, I think I'm forgetting something else. Okay, let me see what else I may forgot to do. Okay, let me try to see what else here I may need to fix. So here we apply slide, when we have stubs. Maybe I need to edit here as well. I don't know, let's try. Nope. Okay, well, let's continue to dig for the issue. So I'm definitely missing one or maybe two cases related to sliding. So apparently we don't need all segments really. Okay, so I think I'm gonna stop here because this is already 2 hours what I am streaming and my brain is not braining anymore. But apparently we have some issues with Dungeon Hunter 2 related to iOS libraries, I believe. I attempted to update them to iOS 4 libraries, but apparently it's not working. I'm not sure why, and I need to investigate it off stream, I believe. But for the moment, I guess that's it. So thank you very much for joining the stream, and I hope we will continue with this series of streams related to touchHLE Fix and Play. But for now, I will be stopping here. So thank you very much for joining, and see you next time.